Creative Artmosphere is dedicated to bring you purpose-driven content that will motivate and entertain you with thought-provoking conversations. Hopefully, Creative Artmosphere will inspire you to express your unique self through whatever creative form of expression you may have, whether it's through art, music, literature, poetry, song, or dance. Creative Artmosphere aims to be the catalyst to get your creative juices flowing. Hopefully, your time here today is time well spent. I'm Rita, and today I'll be practicing marking bold and confident lines in my character work. Join me at the board. All right, the technique that I'm going to use to draw this character is to draw from the inside out. So that means I'm going to start with the eye shape, then the eyebrows, the nose, the mouth, and then I'll draw the rest of the contour of his face around the features. And this is the subject that I'm drawing here. Okay. Go for the bottom part of the eye. Let's do that on the opposite side. Well, I'll draw the pupil in first. Okay, and let's go for the opposite eye. Get the spacing right about here. No more pressure on the pen as we do the downward slope. The eyeball sits about right here. There is a little reflection of light right there. Okay, and from here, I'm going to draw in the eyebrows. They're very light. Space the lines a little bit further apart to depict. It goes up a little bit as well and then down. The lightness of, I'm spacing it further apart to give it less value. If I put the lines closer together, it makes the eyebrows appear darker. Okay, so now he's wearing glasses. So I'm thinking I want to put the glasses on next. Okay, now I'm going to add the nose. So that's the nose there. And now for the mouth area here. He's got a smile on his face, so here's the smile lines. just going to give him a slight smirk. One side of his mouth is up a little bit further than the other. Okay, so now we have the inner parts of his face done. So I'm going to shape his rest of his face out. This is the cartoon version, or my cartoon version of him. I'm going to color it in really quickly.